guys, what's up? And today I'm gonna help pups level up. So I'm gonna go to a lot of places. I'm gonna be Shadow Wolf TV. They're gonna kill me. I'm gonna be Shadow Wolf TV, okay. I'm gonna be a Snow Wolf and help people running around killing me. Letting them kill me because if you saw my last video, I had like 1 million stats, but now I have like 0 stats because I changed it. Look at that status. Oh God, don't even talk about that one. Oh. Lol. Kill me. Oh God, what am I doing? I'm gonna go to there and then kill me for points. Let babies kill me. Lol. Lol. Kill me too. No, whatever. So I was just hoping for 2 minutes. About 2. Okay, 3 minutes. So thanks for watching. I'm gonna meet you guys in the next video and goodbye.